Guys, it's me, Shaman, and we have something very important today.
It's my 19th birthday.
Woo!
Thank you, crowd.
Yeah, it's Sonic's
That's right.
19th birthday, and we have a presentation for
From
Katie and Robin. If you don't know them, they're the directors of this show. So are you ready, Sonic?
Sure, let's do it.
Can you feel life moving through your mind? Ooh, looks like it came back for more. Yeah. Can you feel time slipping down your spine? Ooh, you're trying to ignore. Yeah. But you can hardly swallow your fears and pain when you can't help but follow and put you right back where you came. Live and learn, hanging on the edge of tomorrow. Live and learn from the words of
That was a cool video. What do you think, Shaman?
It was great. I hope you people out there liked it too.
Well, I think it's about time to end the show, so see you guys later. Want to say bye, Shaman?
Bye.
Go Sonic, 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 go Sonic.